Hello, we are at 85 Carl, and this is apartment 10. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Right when you come in the front door of the apartment, it opens up into a nice big living room with really tall ceilings. There's a little entry foyer here where you come in. Have a decorative fireplace here. And we also have a brand new updated kitchen. Tile floor in the kitchen and bathrooms and hardwood floors in the rest of the unit. All right, so this kitchen has a dishwasher, brand new cabinets, beautiful marble countertops, under cabinet lighting, lots of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, including a gas range, microwave fridge, and the aforementioned dishwasher. Everybody loves having a dishwasher. Okay, looking back to the living room. Also on this level, there is a thermostat. There's the cold air return, and the gas furnace lives under the stairs here in that cabinet. Okay, so central heat for the unit. All right, here is the first of 2 bathrooms, shower over tub, some cabinet space here underneath the bathroom sink, and then there's a linen closet. Nice big linen closet. And a medicine chest that opens up. Okay, so some storage in there. All right. And then heading up the stairs, there are 3 levels in this unit, so coming on to the second level here, as soon as we get up those stairs. Right here on this landing, there's a coat closet. Okay, second level, got 2 side-by-side bedrooms. Here is the first one. So these windows face east in terms of exposure. Right now it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, double closet here for this bedroom. And I would say full or a queen size bed would be best in this bedroom. Okay, bedroom number 2. Nice big closet here as well, double closet. And then same, I think a full or a queen size bed would be best in this particular room. Incidentally, here is the back door for the unit. Okay, and then here we are coming up to the top level, tri-level, and we have a bathroom, beautiful updated bathroom. Shower only in this bathroom, but big shower enclosure. Okay, and this bedroom here on the top floor has a private deck. Also has a double closet. And so this is east, and then these windows are facing south. So this room gets really gorgeous light. Nice Sutro Tower view here out of this bedroom. And here is the deck. This deck is brand new. And then here's the shared courtyard that we're looking down on for this building. I'll take you out there here and show you that from the ground level. But yeah, beautiful deck. Great place to come out, catch some sun. All right, so tracing our steps here back through the unit, I'll take you out and show you the outdoor space and where the shared laundry is for the building. Okay, so here's a ground level view of that beautiful courtyard. There's the deck that we were just on, there off of the top floor. And when you pass through the courtyard, this white door here is the shared laundry for the building, 2 washers, 2 dryers. And if you continue on, it takes you out to Carl Street, and we're right at the intersection of Carl and Cole. So in the heart of Cole Valley. And the in Judah Muni line does run out there, so if you're somebody that takes public transportation, very convenient. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Again, 85 Carl, number 10.